Yep.
Explain to me these two and how they show carbon moving.
Okay, so in the biosphere, the carbon goes to the hydrosphere through respiration.
How?
Because underwater animals, they put the carbon down there and then they breathe it in.
Okay.
And then
How about photosynthesis?
Photosynthesis, the carbon comes from the hydrosphere up into the biosphere.
How? What does photosynthesis mean?
Through evaporation. Oh wait, through rain. Or through rain.
What do plants have to grow?
Or water.
Water, right?
Oh, yeah.
So they need water, and then what is an output, or what's something that comes out of photosynthesis?
Out of photosynthesis is carbon.
Carbon. How, like, what? Give me an example. Like a plant. Tell me, like, what does a plant need and what does it give out?
A plant needs to use photosynthesis carbon. It needs sunlight and it needs water. And what comes out when it does that is oxygen and some carbon.
Cool. Let's have Evan. Would you explain to me the lithosphere and atmosphere, how carbon moves?
When a volcano erupts, its smoke stuff and ashes goes into the atmosphere. Right?
And is that carb? How is that carbon being moved? Yeah, you're right. How is that carbon being moved?
Through rocks.
Well, isn't the liquid form?
Like, explain how the carbon goes from rocks and it erupts and it turns into like a gas.
Turns into a gas and goes into the atmosphere.
Cool. How about, is that eruption of gases or weathering and erosion?
Eruption of gases.
Cool. Delaney, explain to me how weathering and erosion.
Well, because isn't it like when like the wasn't like I think that's right.
Yeah.
Once the erosion comes down, doesn't it kind of like turn to dust or something, or maybe not dust, but
How? Explain to me how you think that the carbon would go from the lithosphere to the atmosphere.
So when withering is like dead animals, right?
Weathering?
No, that's the rocks.
This is weathering, yeah.
So like when the rocks. Oh, we learned about this. Like when the rocks rocks have carbon in them, right? And so when they weather, like all the carbon is being released, right?
Mm-hmm. Exactly. So like the weathering would release that carbon. Jasper, how does diffusion work between these two? How come it goes between both? And it's carbon we're talking about here.
So, what's diffusion? No sense of it.
Well, just explain to me, rather than worrying about the word, think about how does carbon go from the hydrosphere to the atmosphere?
Because this one's evaporation. This arrow is because.
Yep. But how does evaporation show movement of carbon?
Evaporation. Because carbon is most likely in water.
Okay, and then how about atmosphere to water? Hydrosphere.
Okay. Wouldn't that be just the cycle back around?
Yeah, what's that called? Do you remember?
No.
What's the term? Like, what's the term for it? Like outside right now, it's
raining.
Raining.
I was
Right?
trying to think of the scientific term.
Precipitation.
Yeah, I learned that in children's. Is that good job, Dad. It was so